Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest products on Amazon. I'm thrilled to have you here today. We've got an exciting countdown lined up for you, featuring the best-selling yarn storage products available. Whether you're an avid knitter, a crochet enthusiast, or just someone looking to organize your yarn collection, we've got you covered. Without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the top yarn storage solutions that will keep your creative space tidy and your supplies easily accessible. Let's get started. All right, crochet enthusiasts, listen up. At number 5, we have a true game changer, the Homest Crochet Bag Organizer. This isn't just a bag, it's an organizer's dream come true. Imagine a storage solution that not only fits over 28 skeins of yarn, but also keeps everything impeccably neat and accessible. Yes, you heard that right. Over 28 skeins, each weighing 3.5 ounces, snugly tucked away in this spacious wonder. Whether you're on the move or simply need a clutter-free crafting space, this bag is your perfect companion. But wait, there's more. The customized front pocket is a masterpiece in itself. It boasts various sizes of elastic loops and pockets, expertly designed to cradle your long knitting needles, up to a whopping 12.5 inches. Plus, there's a visual pocket with a zipper, perfect for those tiny but crucial accessories like scissors and stitch markers. No more rummaging around for your tools. Everything has its place. The magic continues inside with 6 inner pockets, ensuring your yarn stay organized and blissfully tangle-free. And don't forget the 2 side pockets, ideal for needles, crochet hooks, and even more accessories. Need to keep your yarn clean and untangled while you work on that intricate Tunisian simple stitch? The 4 oversized grommets have got you covered, feeding the yarn out smoothly and keeping your project pristine. And let's talk about ease of access. The wide-open zipper design, reminiscent of a diaper bag, makes it a breeze to retrieve items from the bottom. No more digging around in frustration. Everything is right at your fingertips. Whether you're crafting at home or taking your project on the road, the Homest Crochet Bag Organizer is an absolute must-have for any knitting or crocheting enthusiast. Coming in at number 4 on our top-selling yarn storage countdown is a true marvel of craftsmanship and functionality. The newest model magnetic pendulum wooden yarn holder by Artowell. This ebony-colored beauty is more than just a yarn holder. It's a seamless blend of artistry and practicality. Let's talk texture. Sanded and painted to perfection, the surface of this yarn holder is smooth, burr-free, and entirely odorless. The grain of the wood? Simply exquisite, clear, and full of character. It's a tactile delight that elevates your crafting experience every time you reach for it. Now here's where it gets really fascinating. Embedded within this elegant spool and wool frame are special magnetic accessories. These ensure that the spindle and bracket are perfectly linked, allowing for a rotation so smooth you'll think it's magic. No more worrying about your yarn holder tipping over or jamming. This holder can withstand up to 320 grams of wool, and no matter how vigorously you pull, the stand remains steadfast. But the allure doesn't stop there. The sophisticated ebony finish, achieved through a meticulous multi-layer painting process, exudes refinement and elegance. This deep, lustrous shade provides a striking contrast, making the vibrant colors of your yarn pop like never before. It's not just a tool, it's a statement piece that enhances any decor. This yarn holder is where artisan quality meets eco-consciousness. Crafted from sustainably sourced beechwood and bamboo, it's polished and painted to perfection, offering a luxurious feel with a clear conscience. You can knit with pride, knowing that your elegant tool is also environmentally friendly. Ease of use? Absolutely. With just 2 screws and less than 3 minutes to assemble, you'll have this essential helper ready to go. The spindle can be easily removed or hung up, streamlining your knitting process and boosting your efficiency. So whether you're looking for a practical tool or a bold decor statement, the Artowell Magnetic Pendulum Wooden Yarn Holder is your perfect match. Embrace the elegance, experience the functionality, and elevate your crafting journey. Next on our list at number 3, we present the Yarn Storage Portable Bag. This compact wonder is the ultimate solution for knitters on the go, offering a perfect blend of convenience and functionality. Imagine a yarn storage bag that fits effortlessly into your busy lifestyle. With a diameter and height of just 5.7 inches, it's perfectly sized to hold 1 to 2 balls of wool. Its portability is unmatched, allowing you to carry your knitting projects wherever life takes you. Whether you're on the train, at the park, or simply moving from room to room, this little bag is your constant crafting companion. Crafted from high-density Oxford cloth, this bag isn't just durable, it's virtually indestructible. The fabric is robust, ensuring your knitting supplies are safe and sound. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean, so you can keep it looking pristine no matter how much you use it. Let's talk about the design. At the top of the bag, you'll find a small hole designed for easy wool threading. This thoughtful feature keeps your yarn flowing smoothly, eliminating tangles and snags. And the transparent design at the top? It's both beautiful and practical, giving you a clear view of your yarn without even opening the bag. The zipper design is another stroke of genius. It securely stores your wool and knitting needles, ensuring everything stays in place. No more rummaging around to find what you need. Just zip, unzip, and you're ready to knit. Now let's not forget the handheld design. The top handle is made of non-slip material, providing a secure grip. Whether you prefer to carry it in your hand or sling it diagonally across your body, it's convenient and comfortable. This means you can knit anytime, anywhere, from your favorite coffee shop to a cozy spot by the window. In essence, the Yarn Storage Portable Bag is a small but mighty organizer, perfect for knitters who value portability, durability, and thoughtful design. It's your new go-to for knitting projects on the move, making every stitch a breeze wherever you are. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling yarn storage on Amazon? Well, don't let your yarn get tangled. Make sure to knit together a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a stitch. At number 2 in our countdown of best-selling yarn storage on Amazon, we proudly present the Coopay Large Crochet Bag. This is not just any yarn bag. It's a meticulously upgraded marvel, designed to cater to the needs of knitting and crochet enthusiasts everywhere. Crafted from premium Oxford fabric, this bag combines style with functionality. Its soft yet durable material is adorned with a charming pink flower print, making it as visually appealing as it is practical. The thick, soft internal filler ensures that the bag maintains its shape, even when it's not loaded with yarn, staying upright and ready for your next project. What sets this bag apart is its impressive capacity. In response to feedback from thousands of customers, Coopay has enhanced this new large yarn organizer bag to offer even more storage space. It's perfect for keeping all your supplies neat and organized. Whether you're at home or on the go, the additional detachable and adjustable shoulder strap makes carrying this bag a breeze. For the avid knitter or crocheter, this bag is a travel essential. It's incredibly lightweight and practically weightless, ensuring that you can take it anywhere without added bulk. Imagine holding your laptop, yarn, and all your supplies in one bag. No more worries about your yarn rolling off the couch, getting tangled, or gathering pet hair and dust. Everything stays clean and in its place. Inside, you'll find 6 spacious inner pockets that keep your yarn separated and organized, preventing any frustrating tangles. The 6 grommets on top allow your yarn to pull smoothly, ensuring a seamless knitting or crocheting experience. Around the bag, numerous storage areas, including a zippered front pocket, provide ample space for your knitting needles, crochet hooks, up to 14 inches, and other essential supplies. This Coopay bag is more than just a storage solution. It's the ideal gift for any knitting or crocheting enthusiast. Whether for grandma, mom, beginners, or advanced crocheters, it's a thoughtful and practical present for Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any occasion. Say goodbye to clutter and confusion. With the Coopay Large Crochet Bag, everything you need is easily accessible and perfectly organized. And finally, at the pinnacle of our countdown, holding the coveted #1 spot for best-selling yarn storage on Amazon, we have the Knitting Bag Backpack. This isn't just a yarn storage solution. It's an innovation in convenience, functionality, and style. Let's start with its impressive capacity. Measuring 12.6 by 8.6 by 16 inches, this backpack boasts a 25-liter capacity, easily storing up to 30 skeins of 50-gram yarn. The spacious main compartment is perfect for your larger projects, while the 6 individual interior pockets, complete with matching holes on the side, keep your skeins from tangling. These holes are designed to be stiff, ensuring your yarn pulls out smoothly without any snags. But that's just the beginning. This backpack is a marvel of organization. It features 6 inner pockets with elastic straps that can fit knitting needles up to 14 inches. Additionally, 3 clear inner pockets allow you to store your daily necessities. The front pouches and elastic loops are perfect for crochet hooks and accessories, while the side pockets can hold your water bottle or umbrella. For added security, there's an oversized anti-theft pocket on the back, ideal for your phone, passport, wallet, and more. Traveling? No problem. The luggage strap allows this backpack to fit perfectly on your suitcase, sliding over the upright handle for easier carrying. The wide-open design, complete with a rectangular frame, ensures you can quickly pack and access items, even those at the bottom. Reinforced edges and a steel frame keep the bag's shape intact, providing durability and easy visibility. One of the standout features of this knitting bag is the built-in USB port design. With an external USB charger and an internal charging cable, you can conveniently charge your phone while on the go. Note that the backpack itself doesn't power the devices. It offers easy access for charging with your power bank, not included. This feature is perfect for knitters and crocheters who love to craft while traveling. Comfort is key, and this backpack delivers. It's designed with a comfortable, soft padded back and thick, multi-panel ventilated padding to provide maximum back support. The breathable and adjustable shoulder straps relieve shoulder stress, ensuring you can carry your crafting supplies with ease. Made from water-resistant and environmentally friendly materials, it's equipped with sturdy metal zippers for secure and long-lasting usage. In conclusion, the knitting bag backpack is the epitome of yarn storage excellence. With its large capacity, multitude of pockets and compartments, travel-friendly design, USB charging convenience, and exceptional comfort, it's no wonder this bag tops our list. Elevate your knitting and crocheting experience with this all-in-one, stylish, and practical solution. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling yarn storage on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the items we featured today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.